bakers, welcome back to Baking the Basics. I'm Elizabeth and
in this video, Battle of the Carrot Cakes, we are going to taste test a box carrot cake versus a carrot cake made from scratch. Who is going to win? Stay tuned to find out. So take a bite, tell us what you think.
Here's the one with the little cute carrot on it.
The second one that you tasted? That you can see the carrot chunks in it?
Yes.
It's from scratch.
Whoa!
Yeah, you can tell that you actually see the pieces of carrot in it. The one from scratch.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, so that's why I always bake everything from scratch. So maybe some of you have guessed who the winner is. If you guessed the carrot cake from scratch, you are correct. So keep this in mind whenever you are baking. It is always better to make it from scratch. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell button to receive notifications when we come out with new videos. Bye.